Alright, so Annie got me this book a while back, Dad Jokes. So I got it out. I'm gonna try one out on her in a minute when she comes out to the car. But yeah, here's one. I'll read you one. It says, "Why couldn't the lifeguard save the hippie? He was too far out, man." I guess that's funny. Is that funny? Annie, did I ever tell you that I used to work smashing cans? It was soda depressing. What's going on? Today we're here in Port St Lucie at a place called Tradition. There's a lot of construction going on out here. This town's really growing and I really like this area. It's nice, so that's why we decided that we're gonna have an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot here in Tradition, Port St Lucie. But before we get started doing that, let's take a look at last episode and see which shot won. In the last episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, I visited a beautiful location on Hutchinson Island, a spot where the oldest historical building is in Martin County, a place called the House of Refuge. What a beautiful scenic place, and we got some great drone shots from there. Marianne said, "Love the sound of the ocean. Shot 1 is amazing." Thank you for that, Marianne. Iblis said, "I'll go with number 2. They're all breathtaking, Scott." Thank you so much for making a comment, Eve. Kitty's Alliance said, "I love shot number 3. And Kitty, you were not alone. Shot number 3 is the winner." Thanks so much for everyone that voted. We got a lot of votes and a lot of comments on this video, and I want to thank everyone for casting your vote. All right, so we're gonna launch this drone and we're gonna get 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. right, so we finished flying the drone, packed up our gear. Now we're headed back to the car. Hey, I hope you found a shot that you like. If you did, vote for that shot in the comments. By the way, I am spotlighting some of the comments about the shots, so if you want to get a shout out in the next video, then make a comment. Maybe I'll pick your comment to read. Hey, I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video. Did you know, name dropping at work, Annie, it's the worst thing really you can do. At least that's what Robert De Niro told me at work.